Oga Amos, as in the share your own side of the story with the recent Glasgows with the Fish Pie King making the rounds for social media. So, Oga Amos, sharply, I want to make you just hit the nail on top of the head.
Okay.
He mentioned, say, 7 videos, now not 2 agree for 1.2 million naira. What they pay for the shop. Is that true or not?
To the point, that was not true because there was no 7 videos published between me and him online. I won't even step into that part safe before you go on break. Well, before I go to the venue where the shop day, I be day house that blessed. I think that morning before I step out. Normally I'm supposed to contact somebody that was very elder than a elder person that's enough to give birth to me, which is my parents and my mom. Actually, they give me the advice before she passed away. So
may I so rest in peace.
Yeah, may I so rest in peace. So now mommy dollars, because she's my godmother, even when my mom was alive. She's my godmother. So I contacted her. She was like, the gospel truth is mommy dollars never wanted me to proceed because she don't talk and say this guy don't reach stage to do him. Say you know go push person mean do Wetin not supposed to do now in life. So but I tell mommy dollars now help, I won't go help and this and that. She say other people they will have to go help. Say the day could do other assistant, even old women. I was like, okay, mommy dollar, this person don't cry for shop. So make we just close shop matter, then we'll dig into the next one. Mommy dollars was like, okay, no wahala. So that morning I stepped out. We went to the venue. I've not made payment for the shop yet too. Now that day where I come out, after she say make no wahala, may I go do it someone. As I reach the venue to pay for the shop. I tell the guys, they were hurrying me, say make I send the money. I was like, Omo, I never see the receipt of the shop. I never even see the landlord. Now they hurry me make I pay money. So they can say, okay, they won't go bring the receipt. Say, see the landlord here. It was a fair man. They say they won't go bring this. I was like, I won't come pay for shop and I know who receipt to turn out. Which one be saying I won't go bring receipt? But those are like, they come like, okay, but Oga Amos say about Wetin they talk before. They say the thing what they say they go collaborate. Say the only thing what I go do with them, nah, just 7 videos I go do with them. Say I no go do pass like that. I was like, I don't understand. So that's why I said that he's feeling too big at an early stage. You understand me? Because I don't know who did I tell you that? Did I demand from you that I will do a video up to like 7, or did I demand from you that I will even do 1 video with yourself?
Okay.
It might happen, it might not happen, but for the future. You understand me? They come like, no, guy must say this, that. Say they even come with me and then if come to an agreement. I was like, I'm not coming to an agreement with you guys. Let's do this thing as I'm here. I pay for it. You give me the receipt, and even the video I'm doing, I they promote your business,
your brand and everything.
I they promote everything. So they can't go bring receipts. As they come bring the receipts, I can't say okay. Wetin dey the receipts now? Alex 1.2 million naira written, boldly written. I hold on. I said, I hold on, finish. I said, okay, which account are they transfer to? Give me landlord account. They carry your account, give me. I said, Alex, now your account be this. You understand me? So Alex was like, make the payment to him. You understand me? So me, I believed Alex has sent the money to the landlord. I believe saying don't send the money already, don't move the money to the landlord already. So I can't send the money to Alex's account, screenshot the receipts, do the video. As you do the video finish, now I tell mommy dollars, say mommy dollars, I don't do this video finish, I don't give her the money and I don't deal with receipts. Mom tell her say okay, no problem. I live there. So as I live there, the next day, he can't do video. Say they give her shop.
And he no recognize you.
He no like there's no. I'm not, like I said on the first video I made. I'm not after the appreciation. Like the shout out, at least you call my name because this is what I've been doing. And I've been doing to so many people. So whether they appreciate me or not, no be waiting idea after.
Because some of your fans go feel like say you don't be talk and do.
Yes, because specificity the shop say after all, he no talk say now Oga Amos. So Oga Amos they do his own thing.
How you feel about that? He pay you?
He pay me, but I no react at first when I first see him. He pay me. The only thing what I do be say I contact Alex.
I can respond.
In tell me say they go do another video on him. So now that's why I keep emphasizing on he's feeling too big at an early stage. What stops you from saying, okay, Amos, I will do it right now. I'm with you. Because he did my house that day. He did my house that day. He come my house. After the video, they come my house. They come out. Okay. So, he say, he go do am. Not how to say, I see when in do another video interview, say, na Good Samaritan do am for am. Say in the Good Samaritan only shop. Say na income put things inside.
You don't act like I'm come down. I know say as they paying you, so they
no. Now waiting I see for video, I just waiting I see the way.
I don't say you just act well.
Sometimes what pains you is the demonstration. You understand me? The word fee come and go, you just screw. But the way you are demonstrating it is obvious.
Demonstrate.
If I demonstrate, you go just laugh. They wave your hand. Say that Good Samaritan do just the wave your hand. I was like
this.
They wave. So income, as I see the video, the team pay me. I come like, anyways, no problem. If now waiting in won't be that. My welcome back video on TikTok, where they ban my account. I think to welcome back people say, okay, I don't come back TikTok. I do and Alex been did there the video because in my house. You know this challenge, this the chicken challenge in there. So I can't invite collaboration. Alex did my house. I said, Alex, I don't invite you for the collaboration. No. Accept them for me. Alex accept them. In few minutes, in delete them. I was like, Jesus Christ, what is this? Am I begging you for like you delete them? You try to tell me say I dey rob you or something. So income, I seen delete and they can't pay me. No, it never reached 5 minutes. I can't see video we do for I think for Instagram. Post for Instagram, and one interview. Okay, no, before the interview, I saw the video he did on Instagram on his Instagram story, and I was moved to do a video. And the video I was moved to do was to clear the air that actually, because I don't know what the video we don't do with people. You understand me? Whether they give them true or not, I don't know. That is them. They did it whether it's false or true. But mine was true and real. So I can't do a video to clear the air with my evidence and receipts.
Damn.
You understand me?
Okay.
Say, me, Oga Amos. So if you not just shout out for me, let me say do shout out for myself.
Simple.
Say it was me, Oga Amos, actually did it. And I am not pained about him not appreciating. I know the verse saying not appreciate. But fat say he no call my name. When you know me, you know me reach out, you know my name, Oga Amos, you get. So as you see the video, it can come out for live stream. Come to say the shop say I give him on the deal.
Wow.
Say the deal.
And initially no big deal. You know, you just
doesn't the deal because he said I give him on the deal on 7 videos. And I go count video where he don't do where we say he do when he did my house. He never even reached 5. Or if I'm not mistaken,
so that means if 5. You go actually go by the video, you never even complete.
He never complete 7 online.
Okay.
Do you understand me? So if I actually do a deal with you, that means I would have done the 7 video before I come out to talk. You get. So I know. As I talk, I clearly I can't see in interview for live stream. Say I do am on a deal. Say in the do am to grow me. Say in be my friend. Say this.
Okay, in won't come grow you.
Say won't grow me. Wow. Say in be my friend. Say in do the. I saw the video, but I kept calm because. If I talk, I don't want to say anything because let people not be like as if I do am because of I need the appreciation. So now I keep calm. But
you know, say this is a show for the fans and their favorite celebrities. One question what I see for WhatsApp for you, they ask say people they reason say say this on 2 things when they arrange this goes what they happen. Say no be arranging for clouds.
Now waiting Pella think at first. Now waiting make Pella talk. Because me and Pella don't do PR for my movie, Blue Eyes.
Hey, they run movie?
I get ready movie. I get ready movie.
You get one way they run now.
Okay, currently now, yes, I get one. I'm in love. Yeah.
Love is sweet too. But Oga Amos enter love is sweeter. And I because you got money now. My money enter love is sweeter.
Yeah.
So Pella thing say na.
So Pella thing say na arranging. Now wetin make am talk say because the PR way me and am do, you understand me for my movie. Now wetin we arrange we be say people even see and say okay, when I don't set an offer because na one drop movie. You understand me?
Okay.
You understand me? So, you know, say Pella, what made me like Pella, just to like Pella, the way I like Pella about be say, in the like talk out in mind, and in the like make it be like say, Wetin you they do, like come out to be real.
When in there, you talk in mind too.
So for the PR, even I was not expecting to go far. After the PR, instead come out again for an IG, still make the team and I feel I will give a big shout out to Pella. Pella really made that movie go viral, and I'm so happy to work with them. You understand me?
All right.
So I think all these things is not clout, it's not chasing, we're not dragging anything. It was real. Like even myself, the way I am feeling, I know they're on my normal stand, because normally they always drop my philanthropies on every day on the daily. They drop my prank on the daily. But this period I just decided to stay calm. You understand me? Stay calm, because if you know they real, you understand me? I go to do Wetin. You understand me? All for content. But because of say they real and everything happen, now I stay calm. You understand me? Let me just brief this one. The last part of this thing when you can't drop online concerning the new receipt. Say the new. I think it came out recently and say I think they talk about saying that the new receipt be this. Say it can drop. I think 4 slides. Now 4 slide I see for there. So I just count on the 4th slide. The 4th slide was him forcing himself to cry. See, Wetin make me no really talk on this matter be say it dey obvious. Say
for people to know.
Yes, because people they smart. I believe in Nigerians they very smart enough. I no need talk. They very smart to see.
That's
everything.
the first slide.
Yes. First slide, he forced himself to cry. Second slide, he dropped my own receipts of my money I sent. Okay? That one is understood by Nigerians. The 3rd slide, in drop a contract something. And I couldn't see the contract. I saw only one signature. So are you trying to say you gather it to drop to people to feel so emotional? The last one, now receipt of 500K. Now that one there I confused. He said the shop now 500K initially. He don't rent them before I come. Sure, you understand me? So there's no need for me to talk.
So now why you can't say me transfer the money to your account?
Thank you, exactly. You understand me? That's why I requested. So
all right, Oga Amos, I no get tissue. Make you know for if you cry, now you use your shirt to clean your tears. Sorry, it they happen. I hear that, but now life will they meet them. But this will not go disturb you to do your good work. They go as a philanthropist.
Yes, I have bigger projects after this. This is the reason why I say I just
the movie they come through.
Apart from the movie itself, apart from the movie, this philanthropist category, I'm trying to move it in a bigger way. I didn't move them in a bigger step. In the sense that I go make sure say I get big projects about this philanthropy. Maybe say people go use their eyes see, say I cultivate for this thing and I invested for it.
Confirm.
You understand me? So I go do them in a big way. Say people go really understand. People go see, and I will travel. I go travel places because normally I don't do Lagos since when I do this thing. I know they like coming for Lagos. Anything me coming for Lagos now, maybe birthday show or anything. But for this philanthropy of a thing, I go come off for Lagos. I go travel. I go do a lot of big works and people go see them. All
right. Thank you, Oga Amos, for coming through on the Papi Sold Out Show to air your mind on top of the matter.
Chook Pout. Wazobia. 95.1 Wazobia.